2002년 사스, 2009년 신종 인플루엔자, 2015년 메르스, 2019년 코로나, 병원체 감염병은 인류를 끊임없이 위협해왔습니다. 앞으로도 병원체로 인한 새로운 감염병 출현이 예견되는 상황에서 병원체 연구가 진행되는 생물 연구실의 안전은 점점 더 중요해지고 있는데요. 팬데믹 시대를 맞아 병원체 취급 연구실의 안전관리 방법을 함께 알아보도록 하겠습니다.
The lab's biosafety level is classified into levels between 1 to 4 according to the handled pathogens and the risk degree. Biosafety Level 1 labs are those with pathogens that cause no harm to healthy adults and the environment. Biosafety Level 2 labs are those with pathogens that cause preventable and treatable diseases or minor environmental harm. To guarantee safety experiments by the research staff, a comfortable lab environment is essential. Lab inner structures must always be kept clean, and regular cleanup operations are recommended. After experiments are completed on the cabinet, disinfection and cleanup processes are required in order to eliminate any pollutants. Safety-approved gear is required for safe experiments. Lab equipment must be easy to control and assure easy fabrication and elimination of pollutants. Furthermore, structurally stable equipment which can reduce pollutant contact and is resistant to fluids and corrosion is recommended. Then, what would be the types of equipment used in biolabs? As opposed to general labs, biolabs require the use of autoclaves and biosafety cabinets, which eliminate pollution caused by infectious substances. Particularly, biosafety cabinets are mandatory equipment when handling infectious substances, in that they protect the safety and environment of research staff. They are used for tasks with the possibility of exposure to airborne infectious agents and aerosol. Compliance of safety regulations is as crucial as the use of safety gear. When in the lab, exclusive coats must be worn, and food intake and smoking are prohibited. When handling infected specimen or infected animals, protective gloves must be worn to prevent infection. And hands must be washed clean after experiments are concluded. When conducting experiments at the risk of spattered pathogens or artificial UV rays, goggles and face shields must be worn to protect the eyes and face. All experiments must be conducted with the minimized risk of aerosol. When using experiment equipment, its contact with the mouth area is prohibited, and the use of hypodermic injection syringes and syringes as pipette substitutes are prohibited. Additionally, kits must be installed to prepare against biohazard spills. Disposal processes must be complied with the kit in case infectant matter spills during experiments. Documentations must be made of accidents records, including the infectant spill and control procedures. Additionally, reports must be made to the Ministry of Science and ICT when a widespread spill occurs. Then how must post-experiment waste be disposed of? First, all waste must be eliminated of biologic activity prior to disposal. Biologic and animal testing waste must be disposed of as medical waste, and infectious waste must be labeled with its handling requirements and divided from general waste. Prior to disposal, waste must be kept in a separate safe area, and its storage within the lab should be kept as short as possible. Post-experiment, all pollutants on experiment equipment must be sterilized. According to the pollutant's type and way of sterilization, methods are divided into autoclave sterilization, gas sterilization, and dry sterilization. Autoclave sterilization uses heated steam at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes and is used most widely for its great thermal conductivity and penetration effect. Besides that, there is the gas sterilization method using ethylene oxide according to the use and need, and the dry sterilization method, which heats with electricity.
다양한 병원체를 취급하는 연구실에서는 예상치 못한 돌발 사고들이 발생할 수 있는데요. 연구실에서 일어나는 사고에는 어떤 것이 있는지 알아보고 또 대처 방법에 대해 함께 알아보겠습니다.
Firstly, accidents involving research staff. When contact is made between pollutants and the face or body, gloves and experimental coats must be taken off and immediately washed in running water. If needed, the whole body must be washed and the contaminated areas must be disinfected. Also, immediate reports must be made to the lab directors or medical administrators. Appropriate medical measures must be made according to pathogen in question. When spill accidents occur in biosafety cabinets, absorbent materials such as paper towels must be used to eliminate spilled matter, and remaining matter in the container must be disposed of. Used equipment must be wiped with disinfectant on cabinet walls or work surfaces. All used matter must be disposed of in contagious waste boxes, and exposed hands and overall skin must be thoroughly washed. When spill accidents in labs occur, firstly, all personnel within the building must be evacuated. Calls must be made to 119, the building must be shut down, and the immediate vicinity must be controlled. Those who made close contact must be quarantined and be on standby until 119 emergency help arrives.
연구실은 많은 위험에 노출된 채 끊임없는 연구 실험이 이루어지는 곳입니다. 특히 병원체를 취급하는 연구실은 사고 발생 시 인체와 환경에 심각한 피해를 끼칠 수 있어 안전 수칙 준수와 안전 관리에 철저한 주의를 기울여야 하는데요. 하지만 무엇보다 중요한 것은 많은 수칙을 아는 것만큼 그것을 적극적으로 지키고 실천하려는 노력입니다.